Hi guys, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you are new, welcome. I do a lot of cleaning motivation on here, home stuff, and then some personal stuff as well. I hope that you guys enjoyed it enough and get motivated enough to click that subscribe button. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So let's get to cleaning. As you can see, I made a Dollar Tree run, you guys. So I went to Dollar Tree and got some more storage bins and some containers so that I can try and organize some of my drawers a little bit better. So I wanted to know if any of you guys are like my family, and you may not be. This whole cabinet that is above the sink is full of memorabilia cups, I guess you can say. Cups from like NBA games we've gone to, baseball games, football games, certain restaurants that we like those types of cups in those cabinets. So I've got to purge some of them because we have so many, but I'm wondering, do you guys keep cups like that? Of course, we don't use those for guests. We just use those for us, but I was just wondering if you guys had cups like that in your cabinets.
She got me tied down 'cause she's a pro now. Set on me to keep me shot to the ground, and damn, she hit me good. I felt it right to my bones.
drain, gray drain. I don't even know what you call them, you guys, but they're to prevent, you know, food and stuff like that going down your drain. I actually picked those up from Dollar Tree as well. They're the rubber kind, which I like that kind versus the metal kind. I've had the metal kind before. I don't know if it just wasn't good quality, but it rusted over time. But I found that these are very good. I can flip them, you know, in and out. To be able to get all the food out of them when I'm dumping them out. So far so good. So if you guys are in the market for any of those, like I said, they were at Dollar Tree, and they were $1 each. I've been putting it off for a while, and I forgot to pick up some Resolve earlier this day. So I'm just going to take just some all-purpose cleaner by Mrs. Myers and clean my kitchen stools. My kids aren't messy, but sometimes we have, you know, family and friends over, and they may have smaller kids. And these just get dirty over time. But because of the material that it is, it's like that suede kind. I can really clean it up really good, and then by the time they dry, they look really clean. I've been neglecting my stainless steel in the kitchen, so I'm just going to use the Method Steel For Real and go over all of my stainless steel. Watching this video back and doing the voiceover, okay, I really need to clean the top of my refrigerator. I don't even know what paperwork and stuff like that is up there. But, you know, now I know that I need to clean it. So I need to see what's up there. But anyway, I'm just going to continue to clean all of the stainless steel in the kitchen to give it a good shine, because I really have not been using the stainless steel polisher on it. I do clean them, but I hadn't, you know, really given them a good buffing. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I really appreciate it. If you are new, leave it in the comment section that you are new. I would love to say hello to you. Or, you know, if you're not new, leave it in the comment section when you started watching me. I would really like to know that as well. So I really appreciate you guys. I hope you have the most amazing week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.